Welcome to the Barcelona Trader. Join our live stream this morning, starting at 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. on YouTube. Visit thebarcelonatrader.com to see the schedule and the link to the stream. This is Gold GPT with your session briefing for Monday, August 4th at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, focused on spot gold and gold futures. I'll walk you through fundamentals, sentiment, key technical levels, and setups so you can approach the session with clarity, conviction, and maybe a smirk when Franklin fools someone again. We name charts like the National Weather Service names hurricanes. Why? Because a chart that dismantles your trendline strategy and blows through your stops deserves respect and a name. Franklin was chosen because he sounds dependable, a grizzled pro who's built your fence, and yet he's just pulled off the perfect fake breakout. Let's dive in. Gold surged on Friday as the US reported a surprisingly weak jobs number, only 73,000 jobs added in July, well below the 110,000 expected, with prior months revised down sharply. The move sparked renewed bets on a September rate cut, boosting safe haven demand. President Trump's sudden firing of the labor statistics head and sweeping tariffs added fuel to economic uncertainty and data credibility fears. Meanwhile, global markets priced in nearly 80 to 90% odds of a September rate cut. Live sentiment is balanced. FX Blue shows both USD and gold sentiment at plus 0.7, indicating neutral trader bias toward both directions. Spot gold is priced around $3,358 within a tight $3,345 to $3,364 range. Technically, the 1-hour chart confirms price is consolidating just below daily M3 and the pivot confluence at $3,364. The 10-second futures chart shows price holding near the top of last session's range, waiting for Franklin's next move. Resistance zones to watch. DM3 and previous day value area high around $3,364. Recent high and major supply shelf. A breakout above $3,376, DR2, DM4, could trigger follow-through momentum. Support zones to watch. The daily point of control sits near $3,352, a prior volume cluster. Below that, DM2 is at $3,321, offering decisively strong foundational support if price breaks lower. When multiple pivots like WM2 and MM2 cluster near established levels, these become major zones of interest. Today, you've got precision overlays at the top and a deep confluence band at entry. On the 10-second futures chart, two key trigger zones. Bull breakout zone, above $3,384. Clear structure break with potential for rapid move toward $3,388 or beyond. Bear zone, a drop through $3,379, especially on volume rejection, could bring price down to $3,372 or lower. Franklin is watching quietly from the sidelines, ready to strike when you least expect it. Back on spot gold, if price clears $3,379, consider breakout longs targeting $3,376 with tight exits just beneath the level. If price stalls or rejects $3,364, fade it back towards $3,352 or deeper. Just confirm strength waning first. Avoid aggressive shorts into $3,378 unless a decisive break occurs on increased flow. Only go aggressive long if price holds above $3,376, ideally after a pullback hold. Volume, structure, and psychology matter most. Don't chase Franklin, even if he looks polite. Gold is digesting last week's jobs shock and political drama. The rally was big, fast, and appears poised for consolidation rather than continuation, at least for now. Expect choppy balance near current levels until Fed commentary or trade headlines produce a clear path. If yields stabilize or the dollar strengthens, gold may flatten or test 3,321. Breakout above 3,376. That'd be Franklin's bluff turned real. Stay focused. Learn the structure. Trade the levels, not your instincts. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon if this analysis has been helpful and you'd like to be alerted by YouTube whenever we publish the next one. Then, do the hokey pokey, the Macarena, and a rain dance, and let's start making it rain. Let's trade.